we really started with our entire teaching staff identifying our district-wide instructional philosophies, which turned out to ended up being what we call our instructional compass. And the instructional compass helps teachers district-wide kind of identify some key aspects of what we think is high-quality instruction in the classroom. Some of those ideals are things like image-rich, interactive, challenging, collaborative. And so those ideals, we searched for a classroom multimedia solution that would help teachers and students make that more realistic on a daily basis in the classroom. And after a long pilot process using multiple classroom multimedia solutions, we came to the BenQ. Our team, large team of teachers who were piloting, came to the conclusion that the BenQ was the best solution to help teachers and students district-wide kind of reach the instructional compass ideals.